Welcome to Cosatto's Fix It guide, with Eric showing you how to replace the front wheel on your pushchair. Step 1. Turn your pushchair on its side so the rear legs are horizontal with the ground. Step 2. Look at the wheel housing. If fitted with a screw, you'll need a crosshead screwdriver to remove. Replacing a wheel with a screw fixing. Step 1. Use the crosshead screwdriver, unscrew and slide the front wheel off the frame. Step 2. Make sure the new front wheel unit is in swivel mode and that the swivel unit lever is in the downward position before attaching. Step 3. Slide the new front wheel unit onto the frame and reattach the screw. Step 4. Ensure the wheel is secure. Step 5. Repeat the process on other front wheel if necessary. If the wheel housing is fitted with a plastic fixing, you'll need a pair of pliers to remove. Replacing a wheel unit with a plastic fixing. Step 1. Using pliers, pinch the prongs together whilst pulling the wheel unit towards you. The wheel unit should now detach from the frame. Step 2. Make sure the new front wheel unit is in swivel mode and that the swivel unit lever is in the downward position before attaching. Step 3. Push the new front wheel unit fully onto the frame. Ensure the prongs are protruding through the end of the wheel housing. You should hear a definite click. Step 4. Ensure the wheel is secure. Step 5. Repeat process on the other front wheel if necessary.